Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sherelle and today we are going to be doing a room makeover. Yes. I am so excited for this video because it has taken me a long time to finally redo my room. I had these yellow walls that were just absolutely heinous and we finally got it fixed. I am so excited, so please stick around if you would like to see this room makeover and room tour at the end. Let's get right into the video.
Stop. Stop.
So far, this is what we have. It's a very cool tone gray. To me, it kind of looks blue-ish, but it's definitely gray. So yeah, he still has to come in. My cousin's doing this painting for me. He has to do the baseboards because those are yellow for whatever reason. Nobody knows what's going on with that. Sorry, Mom. And yeah, my TV's gonna be here. My bed is going to be here. So this is the entry into my room. Here's just a little quick overview. So as soon as you walk in, I have this cute little sign. It says Dream, and I got that from Home Goods a while ago. Yeah, these little hooks and stuff for my jewelry. I actually made this, and I can do a video on that if you guys want to see how I made these, but it was super easy. It probably only took like a couple hours, and I just have like my jewelry set up accordingly. These are like my more minimalistic jewelry pieces here, like necklaces, and these are like my more chunky or statement piece necklaces. Okay, so moving right along, this lamp here is super old. I actually got it from IKEA so long ago. I'm gonna get a ceiling fan, but for now I'm just gonna have this. It kind of goes with like my decor anyways. So now we're gonna move on to the bed. So here's my bed. Oh yeah, and right above my bed I have these prints. I actually got these from Etsy. I'll put all the links below so you guys can, if you wanted to get it, you can also purchase it. So I got the prints from Etsy. I got them printed at Office Max, and then the frames are from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so for my bed, so my bed frame is actually from Wayfair, and I got a pretty good deal on that. This is actually a pillow. It has like a cutout on it. It's really nice. So if you're a side sleeper, I got this pillow actually from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then This gray pillow and the white pillow are both from Home Goods. This black one, I am really not sure. I've had this for years. I'm really not sure where I got it, but I have that. And then moving on to this side, I have both of these are actually from Wayfair. This one already came with the stuffing in the pillow, and this one I had to buy the pillow cover and then the pillow insert. And so that's my bed. My sheets are from, not my sheets, my comforter is actually from Home Goods as well. And it's definitely wrinkly. I tried to like dry it out, but it didn't really work out. But it is what it is. This is a queen size, and I feel like it's a little short on the side. I wanted to go a little bit longer, so I might look into getting a larger one. So now on this side, I have these cute little hanging plants. And this little plant right here is actually from IKEA. The string, I actually made that. So I did like a DIY thing. I looked at this video on YouTube. I'll link it down below on how to make strings for hanging plants. So I made that, and then the black, I just wrapped some black yarn. Can you see it? I wrapped some black yarn around it at the top, and I'll show you the little rings that I used too. So they're actually pretty inexpensive and from Office Max. And this one's actually from TJ Maxx. I thought it was so cute. I love how it hangs pretty low, and just adds some character to the room. Okay, so my nightstand, yeah, I actually I broke this right here the other day when I was like screwing in this knob. So it came with like different knobs, and so I had a couple other knobs I got from Anthropologie like forever ago, and so I was screwing it in, and then I did it too tight, and so then it cracked. So I gotta go and figure out who can fix that for me. But anyways, this nightstand is from a store called Living Spaces. It's near my house, and I love it. It was actually on clearance, so I cannot pass that up. And it was actually a floor model, so that's why it was marked down. Most of the time, like these mirrored furniture are like extremely expensive, so I got a good deal on it. This right here is my it's like a diffuser, like an aroma diffuser, and it like changes colors, and you can put like your essential oils and stuff in it. So when I wake up or when I'm about to go to bed, I'll, like for instance, I'll put lavender, like if I'm gonna go to bed. And then here, this is my dog. My sister printed this out for me like a couple years ago. He's so crazy. And then I just have like my remotes for like my electronics. My bed actually moves up and down. It's an adjustable base, so I have this, and I use this like every night when I'm watching TV and stuff. Like the head goes up, and then the legs go up as well to kind of like alleviate pressure on my hips and back. This is just like my remote for my TV, and this is for my DVD player. I have to get my DVD player hung up. So in the drawers, medicine, just all the stuff that I need. This is actually a hair massager. I massage my hair all the time, so it helps my hair grow. Just like all of my allergy medicine, because I have crazy allergies. These are actually my degrees from when I graduated from college, and I have my tassels still. So this is from undergraduate, and then this is from graduate school, and they are next to their respective tassels. All right, so this wall, I have these cute little succulents just hanging there. I wanted to add something on the wall, but I didn't want it to feel like it was too busy like in this area. So I just kind of went with these little succulents, and I actually got them from Home Goods, the succulents. And then these little extra pieces, I actually put some extra pieces, and I added some rocks in here just to kind of spice it up and make it a little more make it go a little bit more with my decor. So there's that one, and so the black rocks I added in, and then these cute little ones here, like this little one and that one in the corner there, I added those in there. So if you want to see a video on how I did that, I can also show you how I did that. I replaced the string on here because it was too short and I needed a longer string, so I just had some string, same string that I used for the potted plants up there. And then I found these in my garage, cute little gold hooks. So I was like, all right, let me just use those. It kind of goes with the theme. So here is the next wall. So cute. So I actually got this shelf here from Home Goods. It was on sale for 50% off. Hello, yes. And so then I got this is a piggy bank. I don't have too much in there because I just turned it into the Coinstar. And so this is from Home Goods as well. These little circular plant things are actually from IKEA. This little gold thing for my pens and pencils and everything is from Home Goods. This is also from Home Goods. I love this little hourglass thing. So it actually goes for 30 minutes. And so if I want to get something done really quickly, I'll like kind of time myself with that. So, okay, so moving down, this is like important paperwork and stuff that I just kind of want to keep out. And this folder case is actually from Home Goods. This little inspirational quote in print is, my sister got this for me like a while ago. And it goes with my theme in my room, so I wanted to make sure I displayed that. She did tell me she got the print from Etsy, so I'm not sure where she got the frame from though. Okay, and so then this is my bullet journal. This journal kind of goes with the theme like of the area, so I just kind of placed it here and to remind me that I need to use it more. So I actually got this from Amazon. The brand is Lamome, and I'll put the link below. This is it's just a speaker, and it's from like Office Max. They were having a sale, and I think it was like $8 or something. Okay, so this clearly dirty mirror is from Ulta. Yeah, and it's Revlon. It has like you can plug it in and turn on the light, and it has one side's like 1x and the other side is 5x. Okay, so moving right along, this little chair, this is like what I sit on for all of my videos. It's just a little stool that I got from Home Goods. It goes like up and down and stuff. So yeah, it's really nice and compact. This shelf here is actually from Target. I was pleasantly surprised like when I found it. I went searching everywhere, but I ended up finding it at Target, and they actually only had one left at the store nearby me, so I went to go pick that up. So I guess inside, if you guys want to see inside of the cabinets, it's as organized as it can be. So in here it looks kind of messy, but I wanted to have like a space where I can store stuff. These are all like important paperwork. These little buckets are kind of full with, this bottom one has like nails, screws, like any hardware that I need. This has like office stuff, like tape. It has flashcards, stuff like that. And then this is like my bullet journal section. So I have like all of my markers, my clipboard, some Tombos. I have some Crayolas and just like stuff like that for a bullet journal, like all the stuff I do with that. So that's that. And then on this shelf I have some books, some DVDs, and right here is just, this one was from Home Goods, and this one was from Hobby Lobby. And I was so excited when I actually bought this one first, and then I saw this one and I was like, oh my god, it's similar, but you know, different shapes, so I had to pick that up. And I think I just have like tape or something in here, something that I can access easily. Okay, then next to here is just my trash can right here. So then we have my TV just chilling on the wall. It's perfect for when I'm going to sleep and I can watch all the Netflix I want. Then I have this mirror. Oh yeah, the TV, actually I got this from Best Buy during their Black Friday sale. So I recommend going to get a TV from Best Buy because it was way cheaper, and I definitely would not have been able to get it had they not had their sale. So right here, this is just my mirror. It's like a body length mirror, and this is actually from Target. I got this a couple years ago though. That's me. Okay, and so right here I have this cute little hook. I got this from Urban Outfitters like many years ago, and I found it when I was cleaning out my room, and I was like, yes, got it. So I just have like a couple bags on here that I like frequently wear. Like this one I wear all the time. This one I wear all the time. This is my cute little pouch from Madewell. This is my cute little purse from Madewell, and then this one is like my Michael Kors like little bag. So those are my little bags. Oh yeah, I forgot this part. So this right here is a cute little clock. I got this from Target. And then this cute little inspiration, be your own kind of beautiful. I actually got this from Hobby Lobby. So that is going to do it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more videos with me, feel free to like this video and subscribe down below. I would love to have you join me on all of my videos. And if you have any video suggestions, please just let me know in the comments below. And that is all I have for you today. Bye. See you next time.